Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining Bold Time with Carrot. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to match tan gel coat. Thank you for watching. Alright guys, this is my repair right here. Someone has done this repair before. I'm just here to adjust the color. Before matching paint or gel coat, make sure you buff up your area first so you can see the gel coat or paint underneath it that has been burned out by the sun. Matching any gel coat, I like to start off with ultra white gel coat. For my pigment today, I am using brown pigment. The brown pigment will be my base. For my next pigment will be mustard pigment. For my next pigment will be black pigment. I got myself a pine pot. I'm going to shake it up first before I start pouring there so I get all the debris on the bottom of it. I'll pour myself at least 2 ounces of gel coat because I know my repair is small, so I just pour myself at least 2 ounces. Or if you guys prefer, you can pour yourself more. As I said before, my brown pigment will be the base where I start off with first. Some pigment, when you're matching color, you can start off from mustard, but in this situation I start off from brown because the color that I'm trying to match is a tan color. So what I like to do, I like to take a dab of brown pigment and dab it inside of the can, then mix it in. Then I take a dab of mustard, then mix it in. Then I would check the color as I go, and then if I need to add more brown or black or mustard, I keep on repeating the same thing until I catch the color. I had to speed up the video, so guys, so bear with me. If you're continuing to watching, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. So after I keep checking my color, I keep on adding my mustard or my brown or my black to it. I keep checking it to see if I catch the color. When I see that I'm at a point that I catch the color, I go ahead and get myself a pre-valve, add a little bit of gel coat to it. Do not, guys, emphasizing this, do not add any MEK to it. You just want to check your color, so you just want to spray some out just to check your color. And then you look back at it and see if you like it. If you like it, then you can go ahead and shoot your color. And this is what I have here, guys. I checked it, I see that I liked it, so I said okay, it's time to go ahead and spray my gel coat color. When you're removing a plexiglass, take your time. If you do it too quickly, you will snap with plexiglass. So what I did, I got myself a razor blade and I run up on the back of the plexiglass and loosen up the caulking so I can remove my plexiglass. So it's time to start prepping my repair. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all this excess caulking. I'm going to set my repair at 320 and 600 to blend the gel coat weight in. So let's get started. After I was finished prepping my repair, it's time to start spray my gel coat. So what I did, I poured myself an ounce of gel coat and half a cap of MEK. To reduce my gel coat, I use Duratec, or you can use Patch Booster, but I prefer Duratec. Remember guys, when you're using a pre-valve, you comes out very heavy, so always remember to stay at least 2 to 3 inches away from it and apply your gel coat. After it was dry, I got myself some 600 and some 1200. I Gelcoat my repair first before I could wet sand it first. Normally I would do 600 and leave it, but because it's a tan color and you can see all the scratches, I went ahead and used myself some 1200 to get out all the deep scratches where the 600 has left. Because it's such a tight space, I went ahead and got myself a buffing bar from Amazon. I will put the link on my bio so you can check it out. And what I do, I attach it to my drill and it works so good. Alright guys, this is my finishing look right here. Thank you for watching Bow Tie with Kerry. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day guys, and see you next time. Bye.